In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your MakeMedia account so that you get the best content recommendations for your business. It takes about 1 minute. First, enter your company name and website, and then enter a little bit of information about the size of the market you go after. For example, if you target small companies, you might put something like small businesses with 5 or more employees, or you could put Fortune 1000 companies. You could also do this by annual revenue. Or if you're targeting individuals, just put 1 or 2 people. The last part is the geographical area. If you're targeting a specific location for your services, click yes and then enter what that location would be. Otherwise, select no and move on to the next step. MakeMedia analyzes your website. It comes back with a list of what it thinks your products and services are all about. You can edit these by clicking the X to remove things or typing in something new to add it. The last part is your ideal client profile. This is what MakeMedia uses to identify who you're trying to go after, not the person, but the type of organization. It will look at your website to figure out what it thinks your ideal client profile is, and you can edit this as much as you'd like. If your company has already created an ideal client profile somewhere else, you can copy and paste that detailed profile in here as well. Click Save when you're ready. Now your account is ready to go. I'll see you on the next video for buyer personas.